How to register Commerzbank mobile app. If you want to register for the Commerzbank mobile app, on the mobile app we only have the option to log in and not register. So if you want to register, right, so what we actually have to do is we have to open our browser and go to the official website commerzbank.de. I'll make sure to drop an official link in the description box below. Then once done, tap this three lines icon from the top right and select this option called login that has this lock icon next to it. And when you've done that, you can find the option to log in, but since we are trying to register and request an access, we can tap on this option called request access over here to register for online banking or mobile banking, but provided that you already have a bank account. So make sure to read and go through all of this over here, and you can enter your first name, last name, mobile number, email address that you used to register for your account, and enter those numbers, and you will be able to create your username and the pin and repeat the pin, and once done you can tap the next option over here to register for the app. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.